Don't worry. We're digging down deep to get to the bottom, John.
Just to stay on top.
Just to stay on top. You're lower than the bottom, aren't you?
Hey, yeah, could you set that down for a moment, please? Could you just stop eating for 1 moment?
Nobody wants that food. Nobody wants it. Step on the blue line. We got to tell them everything. You can eat whatever you want. You know, John,
Illustrious stalling officer.
there's nothing else out there. We had a meeting at the bar. I don't want to say, I think he was sniffing something, but
I'm at a loss for words. But illustrious Sir Modulo will ask the question now.
What you got?
I don't know the question.
I think you
What
should.
have you found?
Illustrious installing officer.
We only practice.
We found this noble without the temple. There was nobody else out there. So we brought him in and hoped that he is the marshal. We don't know.
We don't know.
He was doing strange
Well, let me
things out
ask.
there.
Noble Potent-elect,
Okay.
are you satisfied with this noble whom they found among the rubbish of the temple to serve as your marshal?
I believe Ron Mitchell behind that mask is my marshal.
Madonna mia.
Okay, noble installing marshal.
Jumbalada.
You invest Noble Ron Mitchell
Who has his jewel?
with the marshal's jewel.
Let's check.
Oh, looks like I get the lucky.
I thought the marshal's jewel was missing.